Moving your Oracle workloads to AWS can bring extreme value, but a lot of times we hear customers being concerned about the licensing. I'm Dusty Knight, the Chief Marketing and Alliance Officer here at Apps Associates, and with me is Mihir Patel. Mihir, do you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, Mihir Patel, VP of Cloud Architecture and AI Analytics here at Apps.
So OLA, optimization and licensing assessment. Why do we start with the OLA? What do you think the value in starting with an OLA is for an Oracle migration to AWS?
Yeah, a lot of AWS customers want to migrate their enterprise Oracle workloads into AWS. So the OLA, which is a fully funded program by AWS that allows us to check the box on the Oracle licensing front up front before we invest a lot of energy and effort into doing that and creating a bunch of license challenges. You know, we've been doing Oracle migrations to AWS since 2012, right? We were the first Oracle AWS competency partner. So we've learned a lot through those years. And our first motion is always to check the licensing aspects of it and ensuring that when customers move their Oracle workloads to AWS, that licensing is not a challenge and an issue for them.
Right. So these are very quick assessments, usually a couple of weeks. What can the customer expect to receive at the end of this?
Yeah, so as I mentioned, it's a fully funded assessment from AWS. The customer can get a full understanding of their Oracle workloads that are on-prem today, mapped to an AWS architecture of their choice, whether it be EC2, RDS, Oracle DB at AWS, and then ensuring that the license assets that they currently own, how do they map to that architecture? So they'll get a full AWS bill of material calculator, what is their ongoing AWS costs. They'll also get a map of in terms of telling them that this is how many enterprise edition, standard edition, et cetera, licenses. Where can they leverage move to manage, or where does Oracle DB at AWS, for instance, give them the ability to consolidate, leverage autonomous 26 AI, things like that. So we'll give them a full blueprint based on their business needs and give them a directional idea of which path they want to choose.
What can the customer bring to the table to make it even quicker?
It's a very limited amount of effort from the customer side. All we need is essentially a current list of your support entitlements, right? Like what do you own? What Oracle software do you own? Then we're going to need an AWS miner. We'll send you a script. You'll run this script against your Oracle databases that you want us to evaluate. And then the third one is an Oracle script that kind of tells us which database options and packs that you're leveraging, right? So are you getting the value out of the Oracle software that you own? Or if you've bought enterprise and you're not getting, if you don't have any options and packs against it, does it really still make sense to leverage enterprise edition, or should you consider SE2, for instance, or autonomous serverless on Oracle DB at AWS? So we'll give you those different options. Very little lift from the customer.
It's all about total cost of ownership. We are trying to deliver a great document that you can take to your executive team, allow us to move forward with getting your Oracle workloads to AWS in a fashion that's going to make sense and that's going to save you all money. So I know all this sounds complex. I know licensing becomes a huge concern as we get into these migration discussions with our customers. But please reach out to Apps Associates. We can help you out with these licensing discussions and make sure that you're fully ready for this migration to AWS. Thank you all for your time today, and we look forward to hearing from you.